Hello, my name is Anazar Priatna and I will show you some experiment. This is a very simple experiment. The name of experiment is raining blood. Okay, this is the equipment and materials. First, fork. You need cooking oil, water in cup, and food coloring. Step 1. Put the food coloring into oil. And step 2. Mix sure the food coloring and oil with fork. And step 3. Pour it oil and coloring food into water and see the result. Color oil that sinks into water having an appearance that looks like raining blood. Oil has less density than water, but food coloring has the same amount of density as water. So, if you put food coloring and oil, the mixture will have greater density than water. So, gravity will pull it down to the bottom of jar.